Hey everyone, want to create marketing videos with Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to make engaging AI marketing videos step by step. First, open the Luma AI website and sign in to your account. Start a new video project using the AI video creation tools. Next, define your marketing goal and decide what type of video you want to create, such as product promotions, brand stories, advertisements, or social media content. Now choose text to video asterisk or image to video, depending on your project. Write a detailed prompt describing your marketing scene. Include your product, target audience, background, camera movement, lighting, and brand style for better results. Next, generate your video and review the AI-created visuals. If the result does not match your idea, improve your prompt and create a new version with more specific details. After creating your clips, add branding elements like logos, captions, voiceover, music, and call-to-action messages using a video editing tool. Finally, export your completed marketing video and share it across your website, social media platforms, or advertising channels. And that's how to create marketing videos with Luma AI. With creative prompts and smart editing, you can produce professional-looking marketing content faster and easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.